Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, equip your shovel and immediately dig 2 holes directly behind your intended stance. This prevents knockback when the rock explodes. Make sure those holes are adjacent and aligned. Position yourself on the single safe tile in front of the rock so you can swing without falling. Once done, take a deep breath, focus on the rhythm, and get ready to hit. You'll be repeating a set of firm swings. Count or pace them so you don't mistime the sequence. You now deliver the hit sequence. Swing the shovel in short, consistent bursts. About 8 firm hits is standard to break the rock. Make sure you stand steady on that single tile. Moving or running can change the hit detection and waste progress. After the 5th to 8th hit, expect the rock to pop out resources like stone, clay, or iron nuggets. Once it breaks, collect everything fast, then clear the holes behind you. This keeps your workspace tidy and prevents accidental falls later. Finish by picking up every dropped resource and fill the 2 holes you dug behind you so the ground looks normal. If the rock didn't break after 8 hits, make sure your 2 rear holes were directly behind your feet. Misaligned holes allow knockback and interrupt the sequence. If you were knocked back or bumped by a villager, simply reposition, redig the holes, and repeat the hit cycle. You may need a couple more swings to compensate for interruptions. One troubleshooting tip: verify you used a shovel, not an axe, tool.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.